Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to create just a little peekaboo fringe. So a peekaboo fringe is great when you've already done your fringe technique and you want to create a little see-through area where they can actually see. So what I've done is I've actually done a really fun layering technique, and this was part of my Sharp Scissors Society. So I filmed all day today for Sharp Scissors Society, and so if you hear some commotion in the background, that's what's happening. We're tearing down. So everything in front of the camera is nice, and everything behind the camera is a complete disaster. So hi you guys, good to see you. So today, as I said, I'm going to be creating just a small little peekaboo fringe, something so this little girl here can actually have some clearance. So I'll be using my texturizers, and this is going to literally be a fast one. Okay, so I've got her fringe area, and I'm going to go through and work with a little triangular section. So coming in with that center part, right where I kind of designed the fringe, and I'm going to take a small triangle right in the middle. Okay, so about that big, because I only want her to be able to see that much. So yeah, my friend Zuri is loading things out now, so she's going to be up and down the stairs. Hi from Rio de Janeiro. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Okay, the fringe area is one of the most important areas of a haircut because it's what the client sees first. And, you know, it kind of defines our style. Even if you don't have like a total fringe or a traditional fringe, it still is the fringe. Hi, Tess. I see you just joined. Tess is a client of mine. So we're going to be creating that little V section right here. I'm going to be bringing this, because her fringe is already kind of heavy, I want this to be a little lighter. So I'm going to elevate up. So you'll see where I'm going with this. Okay, so I'm going to elevate this up. I could come down here, which would leave a little more weight on top, but I'm going to elevate up. I want it to be lighter. So I'm going to start right there. And these are my 42 texturizers. So they take out quite a bit of hair. And I'm just going to start, create a line, and I'm going to keep going and reducing that bulk as I move out. So I'm just sliding my fingers and cutting at the same time. What this does, you'll see a dramatic difference. I love it. It's like this little magic trick almost. So I won't comb her out yet. I'll show you. Okay, so that was the little spot, and then see how much clearance we have there. She can actually see out instead of being so heavy right down there in the front. So this was just a quick little peekaboo fringe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We went in with that triangular section, pulled it 90 degrees from the head, and then worked with my texturizers, just removing the bulk, leaving a little bit of that weight, or length, excuse me, to be able to tuck that off to the sides. I think that that's like a really kind of a cool little technique. Oh, somebody says too low. Okay, hang on. Let me lower this. I forgot about that. Darn. I'll do it one more time then. I'll just do it again. Thanks, Roxy. Roxy Rolls just told me, you are too low. We can't see. There. Is that better, Roxy? Yeah? Okay, mannequin is in the words. Now it's not. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so this is what the technique was. Took a small little triangular section right here. So the triangle was right there. And then, thanks, Roxy, I appreciate it. I elevated up high like this. I'm taking a little more hair so she's going to be able to see a little bit better. And then coming in, and I'm just using my texturizers. As I said, these are the 42, so they remove a good amount of hair. It's like half the hair. But I'm leaving some hair long, but most of it is short. And what that creates is it creates this little opening where you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, a little bit of a peekaboo fringe. You never know, I might jump on here live again and do something a little bit later. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll post this so you can see it. Bye-bye.